Hey everybody, it's Trever Ford. Was wondering if you have any plans this weekend. If not, come hang out with me at 9169 Renee Ann Street in Orangeville, California. I'll be hosting this lovely single-story open both Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 4 p.m. and I hope you can stop by. But real quick, let's look at a few pictures. As you can tell, it's a beautiful single story. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, recently updated and remodeled, and it comes with a pool! Sorry, I get really excited when a house under $450,000 has a pool in a nice neighborhood. Anyways, as you can see, the kitchen's been updated with some granite countertops, some stainless steel appliances, and has white cabinetry. They've also done the laminate flooring throughout the house also, and they've done carpet in the bedroom that's nice and fresh with the new vacuum lines through it. We all know we love those triangles. Anyways, guys, if this property interests you at all, you'd like a tour before our open house this weekend, feel free to reach out. If you'd also like more property description and details, click the link below. I hope to see you there. If I don't, have a lovely, prosperous, and wonderful weekend. See you later, guys.